You're a week old, Reese. And you have the hiccups. All the time. Are you capturing the hiccups for her to witness?
It's timeless.
Yeah. 3 to 4 times a day. You. This.